Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We've been fans of Lutron and their reliable smart home gear for some time, and now there's even more to cheer about with the arrival of Caseta smart shades. They are lower priced than the company's Serena line and are designed to be do-it-yourself. You just need to take care with the measuring, and the rest of the installation and setup is pretty straightforward. They work with Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more, and you can set opening and closing schedules for different times of day. Caseta Marketing Manager, Damon Williams.
One thing that we know people really enjoy is waking up to that natural sunlight. So if you need to wake up at 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, you can set your shades to open up to act as a natural alarm clock.
More info, head to casetawireless.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at techstination.com.